Freezing my tinsel.
Do it, do it, do it! Woo!
So we were able to drive up all the way to the car park luckily. It was a little bit of 4x4ing. As you can see, the weather's not great.
Guys, it's so cold already.
A little bit cold. But yeah, we're quite excited to keep going. So, hope you guys enjoy. It's the clown! Oh, and before I get to tell you guys, we're here with Amy and Doug, two of our friends. You should remember them from one of our old videos. And they need an introduction because they're legends.
Finally getting some clear skies. It's so exciting.
So dark. How was that, Leafy?
It was quite rough, but I did it.
Yeah, you did. We're getting like insane Lord of the Rings vibe from this place. Whatever those swamps are called that they go to on their way to Mordor. This is what it feels like. We're going to set up this tent real quick.
You're not gonna work.
Tent. So we're just waiting out the weather in our tent. Having a snack.
My sandwich.
So you keep warm on the mountain. Thing was enlightening. Everybody should be comfing in the tent. So we didn't have the most comfortable night's sleep ever, JC.
It was just so cold.
But luckily, it was definitely worth it because we were treated to an amazing view this morning. There you have it, highest waterfall in Africa. Freezing my tinsel. Goes down there and drops all the way down. Don't worry.
Do it, do it, do it! Woo! How was it?
It was nice.
Cold.
I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you like our content, please subscribe to our channel and like this video. And then yeah, we'll see you guys next time. Cheers. What if I don't make it?
Amy? No monkey.
What is that noise?
Radio.
What is this? I thought it was a cat. Oh my.